There's a claim you hear a lot whenever a crime or missing persons case goes public. People say private streamers don't help. They say independent creators just add noise. They say only law enforcement solves cases. It sounds reasonable. It sounds responsible. But it doesn't actually match how cases move in the real world. Because if public involvement didn't matter, agencies wouldn't ask for it. And yet, they do almost every time. Today, we're breaking down what the data actually shows about public tips, independent visibility, and how cases really get solved. No hype, no speculation, just the mechanics. Every major law enforcement agency in the country relies on public tips. The FBI, state police, local departments, missing persons task forces. They all ask the same thing. If you know something, say something. That's not a public relations move. It's a recognition of scale. Police don't advise everywhere. They don't know every relationship, every routine, every quiet detail that lives outside official records. Public tips exist because information is distributed, not centralized. Most cases don't break open because of a single dramatic clue. They move forward because of small, ordinary observations that only someone on the outside could notice. That's the baseline reality. What the data actually shows. When you look at case resolution data, a pattern emerges. A significant percentage of solved cases involve a tip from the public, a witness coming forward after media exposure, someone recognizing a detail they wouldn't have noticed otherwise. This doesn't mean the public solves cases alone. It means public input often unlocks the next step. Visibility increases the chance that someone recognizes a face, someone remembers a vehicle, someone connects a timeline. Without exposure, those connections never happen. That's not theory. That's documented case behavior. Independent creators didn't invent public involvement. They amplified it. When a case reaches beyond a local news cycle, it reaches people who were never going to see a press release. That matters in missing persons cases. It matters in cold cases. It matters when time has passed and attention has faded. But visibility is a tool, not a solution. Used responsibly, it increases the surface area for information. Used recklessly, it creates confusion. The difference isn't the platform. It's the approach. Problems arise when speculation replaces evidence. Rumors get framed as facts. Innocent people get pulled into narratives. That's not helping a case. That's contaminating it. Responsible coverage doesn't guess. It doesn't accuse. It doesn't rush conclusions. It focuses on verified information and clearly labels what is unknown. That's the line. Public involvement is powerful because it's human, but that power comes with responsibility. The goal isn't attention. The goal is clarity. When independent coverage respects that boundary, it becomes an asset, not a liability. And that's why agencies continue to ask for public help, even while warning against speculation. Both things can be true at the same time. So do private streamers help solve cases? Sometimes, when they understand their role, not as detectives, not as judges, but as amplifiers of verified information. That's what we're breaking down in this series. Facts, context, no speculation. This is public signal. We're Time Scape News, and we're here to provide truth and reality with a forensic twist. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to be alerted for the next episode of the series. Welcome to the Inner Circle. This isn't just a membership. It's a mission. You're supporting forensic truth, mythic blends, and ceremonial broadcasts that honor every moment. Members unlock exclusive enhancements, behind-the-scenes alerts, and direct access to the pulse of Time Scape News and leading sponsor, Gold Rush Fever Specialty Coffee. Join us and help shape the signal. We thank you, and as always, stay safe. That's the latest from Time Scape News. We're live. We're watching. We thank you. Subscribe, like, share, and ring the bell so you don't miss what breaks next. Stay with us. We appreciate you, and as always, be safe.